Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tabs in your Power Apps and other relevant features. So this is going to be a very easy process and that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start from scratch. So in front of you I've opened a screen and I have a button. So for this button I have just an action: navigate to screen 4 and do nothing. So let's run it and go to screen 4. So this is the screen where we'll have the actual action. So the very first thing, in order to create tabs, what we are going to do, we are going to add a gallery. Okay, so we are going to insert a gallery. Here it is. So I'm going to have like a blank horizontal. Okay, and I don't need any data source. Instead I'm going to add an item, and what I'm going to add is a button. Actually, let me first expand it. So here I'm gonna add an item. So what I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add a button. Okay, so here it has gone into this gallery. Let's make sure of it. Yes, this button has gone into gallery. So for your tabs, what you need items. Let's see if I have anything like items here. Oh, I need to select gallery first. Yeah, now select items. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let's say I need 3. Okay, 3 buttons or 3 tabs. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 2 3. All right, I have got a scroll bar. Let's see what I have got here. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, see, I have 3 buttons. Now I need to adjust the width or something so that it comes in between this. Okay, so I need to adjust the properties. Okay, so I need to go to button. So width, if I reduce, what's gonna happen? Oh, it's actually reducing its width. I want it to be like this. All right, so I've adjusted a bit. So now these 3 buttons are visible, but I need to make them better. So let me see if I can. Yes, I can. Okay, I wanna have them slightly touch. Perfect. Next thing is I wanna change this values over here. So what I can do, items, you don't need to put numbers. What I'm gonna do, for every tab I'm gonna include one list form. So I'll say list 1, list 2 and list 3. But why they are not appearing here, let's find out. So button, so for button, like if you have a text property, so we need to select its text property. Text, yeah, it's written button, but what we don't want, so what we want is this item dot value. Yeah, see, we have got list 1, list 2, list 3. This is what. Now another property of tabs is, like when you click a tab, it color changes and others remain same, so that we can implement button. So let's say it's called, if I have any property like fill or color. Yes, I have fill, so I will not disturb this. So this is what I'll do. If this item dot is selected this color, otherwise black. So what it says, like if this whichever one is selected, it's gonna be blue, otherwise rest are gonna be black. As simple as that. Now let's do the real game. Let's add the forms. So I'll add 3 forms: form 1 for list 1, form 2 for list 2 and form 3 for list 3. So click on connect to data. I need to add data, so I need to go for SharePoint, connection. You can select anything, just an example. So let's say I go for this site. So I'm adding 3 lists: address, attach, and birthday. Address will go list 1, attach will go in list 2, and birthday will go in list 3. Connect. Okay, now for this form in data source, I'm gonna select address. So it has been populated. Alright, now you can always modify the fields here, that's fine. I don't want to go into that, but what we wanted, okay, I need to make a slight adjustment. Default mode new. Okay, what we want is like this form should appear when list 1 is selected, not on list 2, list 3. So this is what we are gonna do. Select this form, and there's a property visible. Go to visible. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we put the gallery name here. So gallery is gallery 2. Okay, gallery 2 dot selected dot value equal list 1. So that means if the selected item value is list 1, this will appear. Now if I click list 2, list 3, it's gone. Only for list 1, this is gonna appear. How simple it is, right? Isn't it? Now let's go for list 2, and again insert a form. Okay, and now I'm gonna connect it to data. So I have to use address. I can use attach here. Okay, this is a simple list. Again, I would like to select its visible property. Now I'm gonna say gallery 2 dot selected dot value is equal to list 2. Now let's see what happens. Oh, I know what happened. I have to change the mode from edit to view new. Perfect. Now run it. So if I select list 1, this is coming. List 2, this is coming. List 3, nothing, because we haven't joined it yet. Let's join list 3 as well. Let's add a form. Okay, you can see how simple, and you can even do it on a larger scale. So birthday, perfect. Oh, I need to go select it from here. Perfect. And new. Okay, again I have to select its visibility. This is really important. So gallery 2 dot selected dot value is equal to list 3. Perfect. Now this is gonna work. List 1, list 2, list 3. You see tabs. Now what I need is I need a submit button that submits items from all 3. Okay, so I click somewhere here and add a button. This is not part of gallery or any form. This is the part of the screen. Okay, I'm gonna put the text as submit. Here I have 3 forms: form 1, form 2, form 3. So for this button, on select, what I'm gonna go, I'm gonna submit form. I'm gonna submit form 1. Again I'm gonna submit form 2. Again I'm gonna submit form, apologize, and again I'm gonna submit form 3. But not only that, what I want, like after these three are submitted, new forms open, so that if you want to run once more you can do it. So what I want is new form 1, new form 2, new form 3. Yeah, now this makes sense. Now run it. What's gonna happen? List 1, put any value you want, go to list 2. If you want to attach, you can attach, go to list 3. You can do all sort of designing the way you really want to. I don't want any designing. Now submit it. We are gonna see what happens. See, the values have been vanished. You know why? Because the form has been submitted. You can open the backend list and you can see these items have been created over there. So that's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes to your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.